carnation, pink and white. D is for daffodil, oh what a sight! E is for edelweiss, soft and small. F is for foxglove, standing so tall. G is for gardenia, sweet as can be. H is for hibiscus, buzzing with bees. I is for iris, in purple and blue. J is for jasmine, fragrant and true. K is for camellia, with petals so fine. L is for lilac, in springtime they shine. M is for marigold, so sunny and bold. N is for narcissus, lovely to behold. O is for orchid, delicate and fair. P is for poppy, dancing in the air. Q is for quince, with blooms so sweet. R is for rose, a classic treat. S is for sunflower, big and round. T is for tulip, sprouting from the ground. U is for ilex, with yellow so bright.